Humidity and seasonal changes cause baseboard joints to expand and contract, producing visible gaps or buckling if not managed correctly. Wood and engineered baseboard trim absorb and release moisture with changing relative humidity and temperature, so install after the material has acclimated to the room for at least 72 hours to minimize movement. Use a seasonal gap strategy by leaving a small uniform space at the ends and seams equal to about 1/8 of an inch to give predictable movement, and then hide that space with flexible caulk or a paintable silicone product that stays elastic. When nailing, fasten through the thicker part of the profile into studs or blocking, and avoid overdriving nails, which can restrict movement and cause splits. Use finish nailers on a lower pressure setting or handset nails when working near ends. For rooms that swing wide in humidity, such as basements and bathrooms, prime or paint the ends and backs of boards before installation to slow moisture transfer and reduce differential swelling. When joining long runs, incorporate scarf joints or coping rather than butt joints where possible, since those profiles interlock and tolerate slight dimensional change without opening visible gaps. Finally, allow any applied sealant and paint to fully cure before exposing the area to peak seasonal humidity to ensure the finish remains flexible and bonds well. Common issues include gaps opening at seams during dry seasons, which you can remedy by running a thin bead of flexible, paintable caulk and tooling it smooth so it compresses when boards expand. Another frequent problem is buckling or popping where installers nailed the board too tight. The fix is to remove the affected section, relieve a few fasteners, and reattach, taking care to leave the recommended seasonal gap and use correct nailing technique. A third concern is surface finish cracking at joint lines from rigid fillers that cannot move with the wood, so replace hard spackles with a high-quality elastic caulk and repaint the area after proper curing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we trade practical tips and ask questions about installations and materials. We help contractors find work by listing projects and engaging with our member community to build local visibility.